Let us start with the new part 9, and that we'll see exercise 12.4. So now let us go directly with the question which is given on the left hand side. So it says if the sum of two numbers is 187 and the difference is 23, you have to find the numbers. So here first we'll say let the numbers be x and y. So in the first sentence it says if the sum of two numbers, sum means x plus y because we have considered the numbers as x and y. So x plus y is 187 means is equal to 187. So that will be equation number 1. And the difference is 23. So difference means x minus y is 23. So this will be the equation number 2. So now you can see here, this is plus y minus y. We'll solve these two equations. So this we can cancel out. So this will be 2x because here means actually this is plus. So you're going to add this one, that will be 210. So x will be 210 divided by this 2. So x is going to be 105. So putting x is equal to 105 in equation number 1. So the same equation number 1 is written here. So in place of x we'll put 105 plus y is 187. So y is going to be 82. So we can say the numbers are, first whatever we'll write, this will be x and this is going to be y. So the numbers are, this is x and this is y. So 105 and 82. So now let us go with the next question here, which is on the left hand side. The sum of two numbers is 53. 2 times one of them exceeds 3 times the other by 11. So you have to find the two numbers. So again here we'll consider the two numbers as x and y. So in the first sentence it says the sum of two numbers is 53. So x plus y is 53. This is going to be equation number 1. In the second sentence it says that 2 times one of them. So if we are considering this one, so 2 times means 2x exceeds 3 times the other, means is equal to 3 times the other, means the other number is y. So 3 times means 3y by 11 means 3y plus 11. So what will you do for this equation? We'll rearrange it and bring it in this form. So that will be x and y. So 2x minus this will come here. Minus 3y is 11. So this will be equation number 2. So now let us bring these two equations here. So now we have to look to solve these two equations. We have to see that the coefficient should be same. So this is 2. So here you are going to multiply by 2 because we have to eliminate one variable over here. So this will be multiplied by 2. So this x gets cancelled out here. So this will be 2x plus 2y, that is 106. So we can write here multiplying equation 1 by 2. So this will be more better. And then will stay as it is. So now what we can do here, this is plus, so this is going to be minus, minus, so plus. This is plus, so this is going to be minus. So this and this gets cancelled out. So this will be plus 2y plus 3y, which is going to be 5y, and will be 106 minus 11, which is going to be 95. So y will be 95 by 5. Y will be 19. So now putting y is equal to 19 in equation number, this is the equation number 1. So x plus y, the same equation is written here. So x plus 19 is 53. So x will be 53 minus 19. So x is 34. So the numbers are, first this will be x and this will be y. So 34 and this is 19. So now let us go with the next question here. If 3 is added to the numerator of a fraction, it becomes 5 by 6. If 5 is added to the numerator and 4 to the denominator, the fraction becomes 3 by 4 and you have to find the fraction. So we'll consider the fraction. We can say let the fraction be x divided by y. So now look at the first sentence. 3 is added to the numerator. So numerator will be x and this denominator is y. So 3 is added to the numerator, x plus 3. So the denominator is the same. So the fraction becomes 5 by 6. So this is going to be 5 by 6. In the second one, it says is 5 is added to the numerator and 4 to the denominator. 5 is added to the numerator and 4 is added to the denominator. The fraction becomes 3 by 4. So now we'll take this equation. We are going to cross multiply here. 6 into x plus 3 will be 5y. So we are going to solve this one. 6x plus 18 will be 5y. So 6 as it is, this will come here. So that is going to be minus 5y, and plus 18 is going to be minus 18. So this will be equation number 1. So now for this one, we are again going to cross multiply 4 into x plus 5 is going to 3 into y plus 4. So this is going to be 4x plus 20 will be 3y plus 12. So 4x, this will come here, that will be minus 3y. This is going to be 12 and plus 20 is going to be minus 20. So 4x minus 3y, which is going to be minus 8. This will be equation number 2. So now we'll bring this solving equation 1 and 2. This, both the equations are here. So now we have to eliminate one variable. So that what will you do? We are going to consider this is x. So we are going to look at the coefficient of it. So we'll make the coefficient equal. So this we are going to multiply by 2 and this we are going to multiply by 3 to make it to 12. Since we have multiplied this by 12, this also by 2 and this also by 2. This is multiplied by 3 means this also 3 and this also should be 3. So same thing, this is going to be 12x minus 10y is equal to minus 36 and this is multiplied by 3. So this is going to be 12x minus 9y is equal to minus 24, which is given here. So now plus, so this is going to be minus, minus, so plus, minus, so plus. So this we are going to look at the new sign, so this gets cancelled out. Again here minus 10 plus 9, which will be minus y. For this new sign, minus 36 plus 24, which is going to be minus 12. Both the sides there is minus means that gets cancelled out, so y is going to be 12. Putting y is equal to 12 in the equation number 1, so which is the equation 1 is here. So same equation is written here. In place of y, we are going to put 12, rest all the same. So 6x minus this is going to be 60 is minus 18. So 6x is going to be minus 18. This will go on the other side plus 60. So x will be 6x will be 42. So x is going to be 7. So the fraction is here will be x and this is going to be y. So x is 7 and the y is given as 12. So that fraction is 7 by 12. So now let us see the next question here. When the numerator of a fraction is increased by 1 and denominator is decreased by 1, it becomes equal to 2 by 3. If both the numerator and the denominator are increased by 2, the fraction becomes 3 by 5 and we have to find the fraction. So again here we will consider let the fraction be x by y. So in the first sentence it said the numerator is increased by 1, denominator is decreased by 1. Increase plus 1, decrease minus 1. So it becomes 2 by 3. And the second sentence it says that if both the numerator and the denominator are increased by 2, so x also is plus 2 and y also will be plus 2 the denominator, so that fraction becomes 3 by 5. So now let us take this one. So we are going to cross multiply this one. So 3 into x plus 1 is going to be 2y, 2 into y minus 1. The bracket is important because there are two terms. So this 2 is for this as well as this one. Same 3 is for this as well as this. So the bracket should be written. So now we are going to expand it. 3x plus 3 is going to be 2y minus 2. So this will be 3x and this will come here minus 2y will be minus 2. This is minus 3. So 3x minus 2y will be minus 5. This will be equation number 2. Now let us take the next one again, cross multiply 5 into x plus 2. That is going to be 3 into y plus 2. So that is going to be 5x plus 10. There will be 3y plus 6. So 5x, this will come here minus 3y. That is going to be 6. And this is going to be minus 10. So 5x minus 3y is going to be minus 4. This will be equation number 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. So this is 1, this is 2. So now we have to go to see that we are going to eliminate 1. So use this elimination method. So this will be multiplied by 5. This will be multiplied by 3 to make the coefficient same. So this is multiplied by 5, this also by 5, this also by 5. 3 means this also by 3 and this also by 3. So after doing this one, we get 15x minus 10y is equal to minus 25, which is here. And for this multiply by 3. So this is going to be 15x minus 9y is going to be minus 12. So this is here. So here is plus, so this will be minus, minus, so plus, minus, so plus. So now here plus 15 minus 15, this will get cancelled out. So minus 10 plus 9, that will be minus y. And this is going to be minus 25 plus 12, which is going to be minus 13. Both the places this is minus, so that becomes plus. So y is going to be here 13. So putting y is equal to 13 in equation number 1. So this is the equation number 1, that is 3x minus 2y is minus 5. So 3x as it is, in place of y we are going to put 13. So 3x minus 26 is minus 5. So 3x will be minus 25 plus 26. So 3x will be 21. So x is going to be 21 by 3. So which will be x will be 7. So we want a fraction. So fraction means x divided by this y. So x is 7 and the y is given here as 13. So that is going to be x by 13. So now let us go for the next question here, question number 5. Look at the question on the left side. Anita's age is 2 years more than 5 times the age of her daughter. After 5 years, Anita's age will be 3 times the age of her daughter. You have to find the present age. So we can consider that daughter be D and Anita be A. So in the first sentence is Anita's age is 2 years more than 5 times the age of her daughter. So this A stands for this Anita. A is equal to, that is 5 times the age of a daughter. 5 times age of a daughter is D. So 5D and is 2 years more plus 2. 2 years more means this should be plus 2. So this will be the equation number 1. After 7 years, Anita's age will be 3 times the age of her daughter. So after 7 years, Anita will be A plus 7. So this is very important. So not just A, but A plus 7 is equal to 3 times the age of her daughter. 3 times age of her daughter after 7 years. So if you want, you can write here after 7 years, Anita will be after 7 years. Anita will be A plus 7. So daughter is going to be D plus 7. So you can put this sentence one more if you want. So this is 3 times the daughter. Daughter means D plus 7. So not just D plus, but it should be D plus 7. So now these are the two terms, so the bracket is important. So here again, here A plus 7 will be 3D plus 21. So A, this will come here, minus 3D will be 21 minus 7. So A minus 3D will be 14. So this will be equation number 2. So putting A is equal to, or we can write substituting or putting both the word we can is the same. A is equal to 5D plus 2 in equation number 2. So because you got here A is equal to 5D plus 2. So that will be in equation 2. This is the equation number 2. So wherever you see that A, you're going to put 5D plus 2 minus 3D is 14. So this will be, now you can solve this one, 5D minus 3D, that is going to be 2D, will be 14. This plus 2 will go on the other side, will be minus 2. So 2D is 12 and D is going to be 12 by 6. Sorry, 12 by 2, which is going to be 6. So A is going to be, now see here, I'll show you before that. This, instead of substituting this, you can also do one thing. Here itself, this equation you can rearrange and this will come this side, that is going to be 5D is equal to 2. You can also make this one and then later on you can solve this one. So A minus 5D is 2 and the equation number A minus 3D is 14. So you can also do it this way. So this is plus, so this is minus, plus this will be minus, so this gets cancelled out. So that will be minus 2D will be minus 12. So D is going to be 6. So you can do anyways, whichever you feel easy. So now we got the value of D as 6. So A is going to be, now we want the value of this, the age of this A. So here A is Anita. So we know the equation number 1, that is A is equal to 5D plus 2. So putting this 6, D in place of this D, put 6, rest all the same. So this is going to be 30 plus 2, which is going to be 32, and that is the age. So Anita's present age is 32 because A is 32, that is 32 years, and daughter's age is 6 years. So now let us see the next one. The sum of the present ages of a father and son is 66 years. After 3 years, the father's age will be thrice the son's age. Find the present ages. So let father be F and son be S. So sum of ages is, sum means we are going to add F plus S, that is given as 66. This will be the equation number 1. After 3 years, the father's age will be thrice the son's age. So after 3 years, father is going to be F plus 3, son is going to be S plus 3. So this father, F plus 3, after 3 years is going to be 3 times. 3 into s plus 3. This again the bracket is important. So f plus 3 as it is 3s plus 9. So f minus 3s is going to be 9 and this will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 3. So f minus 3s is going to be 6. So this will be equation number 2. So solving equation 1 and 2, the equation this is here and this is here. So what will we do here? Minus and minus becomes plus. This is plus, so this will be minus. So this and this gets cancelled out. So now you are going to look at the new sign. So this will be plus 3 and this is going to be 1. So 4s will be here 66 minus 6, which is going to be 60. So s is going to be 15. So sun is 15 years. So substituting or putting both this will be the same. S is equal to 15 in equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. So in place of s, you will put 15, rest all the same. F will be 66. This will go on the other side. That is going to be minus 15. So F is going to be 51. So we can say father is 51 years and son is 15 years. Now let us see the next question. Ramesh is 16 years older than Suresh. 20 years later, Ramesh's age will be 4 times the present age of Suresh. And find their present age. So let Suresh be S and Ramesh be R. So it's given in the first sentence, Ramesh is means is equal to, Ramesh is equal to this one. 16 years older than Suresh. So S plus 16 because 16 years older. So this will be equation number 1. 20 years later means after 20 years, Ramesh age will be. So after 20 years means R plus 20. See here, this is slightly different. After Ramesh age will be 4 times the present age of Suresh. They said in the previous one there was no, the word present age was not written. So we had to add 20 to this S as well, but here present age. So this is what we have is the present age. So we have this considered as S. So 4 times S. So this is the important equation. So this will be the equation number 2. Substituting R is equal to this S plus 16 in equation number 2. So this is equation number 2. So R we are going to put S plus 16 this as it is. So solve this part. So this will be S plus 36 is 4S. So S, this will come here minus 4S. That is going to be minus 36. So minus 4 plus 1. So that is going to be minus 3S is minus 36. Both the places minus, it gets cancelled out. So 3S is 36. So S is going to be 36 divided by 3. So S is going to be 12 years. So we got the son as 12 years. So R will be S plus 16 because this is given, R is given as S plus 16. So in place of S put 12 plus 16, which R is going to be 28 years. So Ramesh is 28 years and Suresh is 12 years. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Also, there is one feature called Hype. Don't forget to press on the Hype button which is beside the comment section. Thank you.